ain't got no kawin, ku ain't got no kawin, ku ain't got no kawin kalau emang belum pingin. Ku ain't got no kawin, ku ain't got no kawin kalau emang belum pingin. Okay. Ku ain't got no kawin, ku ain't got no kawin, ku ain't got no kawin kalau emang belum pingin. Orang Indo mana suaranya? Okay. Let's go. Let's jump together, okay? Feel the fun. Yo, gue agak heran sama pikiran orang. Kadang omongan mereka bikin gue berat. Umur 21, nanya kawin mulu. Mana resepsinya? Ya elah tunggu dulu. Udah punya pacar kok gak pernah ditunjukin. Lakinya yang mana di tante udah tungguin. Gue disamperin kayak gitu ya ngeselin. Udah tua kok yang kayak gini diurusin. Gue gak mau kawin, gue gak mau kawin, gue gak mau kawin. Kalau emang belum gue gak mau kawin, gue gak mau kawin, gue gak mau kawin kalau emang belum pingin. YOGS Yoks gak mau kawin karena udah kawin lama. Lo gak kawin karena beda agama. Lo gak kawin karena gender lo sama. Lo gak kawin karena pokok gak suka. Bebas-bebas saja hidup tanpa ratu raja. Mau lebih atau pilih cuma satu saja. Lalu sokap bisa kasih gue perintah. Gak mau kawin gue maunya itu nikah. Okay, come on, now everybody. After the drum, I want you to jump, okay? Then we got 1, 2,
One more time for Ramen Girl in the host. Amazing performance. Guys, this is an amazing party we're having here in Macau for the Creator Week Live. It doesn't end today. We are back tomorrow. We have 10 music performances tomorrow. Right back here at the Galaxy Macau, Broadway, Food Street. 10 shows tomorrow from 4 to 10. So come back, tell a friend. The party continues this weekend here in Macau. We have one more performance tonight. I don't know if you can guess who it might be, but it's a K-pop band. They're going to be coming up soon on the stage, so don't go far away. Stay close. The bar is close. If you need to get a drink, just nip over there and come back. Stay close. We have our K-pop band coming very, very soon with a special set. Stay tuned.